Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a critical topic, the potential cancer risks associated with certain skincare ingredients. We all want to look and feel our best, but it's crucial to be aware of what we're putting on our skin. Stay tuned to learn more about what might be lurking in your beauty products. You might be surprised at what you discover. Let's get right into it. Let's start by talking about parabens. Parabens are widely used preservatives found in cosmetics, skincare products, and even some pharmaceuticals. Studies have shown that parabens can mimic estrogen in the body. When estrogen is out of balance, it can fuel the growth of certain types of cancer, particularly breast cancer. Some studies have detected the presence of parabens in breast tumor tissue, raising concerns about a potential link. However, correlation doesn't equal causation. The research on parabens and cancer is ongoing, and it's quite complex. If you're concerned about the potential risks, look for paraben-free products. Reading labels is key to making informed choices about what you're putting on your skin. Remember, knowledge is power. Now, let's move on to another ingredient that might be lurking in your bathroom cabinet, formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is a colorless gas used as a preservative in various products, including some cosmetics and skincare items. The International Agency for Research on Cancer, IRC, has classified formaldehyde as a human carcinogen. Exposure to high levels of formaldehyde has been linked to an increased risk of nasopharyngeal cancer. Some cosmetics and skincare products contain formaldehyde-releasing preservatives, FRPs. These FRPs release small amounts of formaldehyde over time to prevent bacterial growth. Look for products labeled as formaldehyde-free to minimize your exposure. It's all about minimizing risk. By making informed choices about the products you use, you can take control of your health and well-being. Let's talk about phthalates, another group of chemicals commonly found in cosmetics and personal care products. Phthalates are used to make plastics more flexible and durable. They're also found in fragrances, nail polish, hairspray, and some lotions and creams. The concern with phthalates is that they're known endocrine disruptors. Endocrine disruptors can interfere with the body's endocrine system, which regulates various bodily functions. Some studies have suggested that exposure to certain phthalates could disrupt hormone levels and potentially increase the risk of certain cancers. Despite the lack of conclusive evidence, it's wise to be cautious about phthalate exposure. Look for products labeled as phthalate-free to reduce your exposure. Small changes in your daily routine can make a big difference in the long run. By staying informed about potential risks and making conscious choices, you can protect yourself and your loved ones. Now, let's move on to talc, a soft mineral that's widely used in cosmetics and personal care products. Talc is often used in powders, eyeshadows, blushes, and even baby powder due to its ability to absorb moisture and prevent chafing. The controversy surrounding talc stems from its potential contamination with asbestos. Asbestos is a naturally occurring mineral that's known to cause cancer when inhaled or ingested. Talc deposits can sometimes be found near asbestos deposits, leading to potential contamination. Exposure to asbestos has been linked to an increased risk of mesothelioma. In addition to asbestos contamination, talc itself has been studied for its potential link to ovarian cancer. Some studies have suggested that regular use of talc-based powders in the genital area might slightly increase the risk of ovarian cancer. If you're concerned about the potential risks associated with talc, look for talc-free cosmetics and personal care products. Always choose products from reputable brands that prioritize safety and transparency. Let's talk about sunscreen, a crucial part of any skincare routine, especially when it comes to protecting our skin from the sun's harmful UV rays. Sunscreen can help prevent sunburn, premature aging, and skin cancer. However, some ingredients commonly found in chemical sunscreens have raised concerns about potential health risks. One such ingredient is oxybenzone, a chemical UV filter that absorbs UVB and UVA rays. Oxybenzone has been detected in human blood, urine, and breast milk, raising concerns about its potential to disrupt hormones. Another ingredient of concern is octinoxate, another chemical UV filter found in many sunscreens. Octinoxate has also been detected in human blood and breast milk, and some studies have suggested that it might interfere with thyroid hormone function. If you're concerned about the potential risks of chemical sunscreen ingredients, consider switching to mineral-based sunscreens. Mineral sunscreens contain mineral filters like zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, which work by creating a physical barrier on the skin that blocks UV rays. Read labels carefully, opt for safer alternatives when possible, and consult with your dermatologist to determine the best sunscreen options for your skin type and needs. While certain ingredients in skincare products have raised concerns regarding cancer risk, it is essential to note that most research does not conclusively establish a direct cause and effect relationship. Regulatory agencies, such as the FDA and the European Commission, monitor and regulate the use of potentially harmful substances in cosmetics to ensure consumer safety. These agencies set limits on the concentrations of certain ingredients allowed in cosmetics to minimize potential risks to human health. Remember to read labels, choose safer products, and consult with a dermatologist or healthcare provider if you have any concerns. Stay informed and stay safe.